Hi, my name is Prabpreet Singh, and this is my group presentation. We are presenting on reducing traffic accidents, the impact of autonomous driving technologies. These are the group members' name that have contributed in this project. So let's start with the introduction. Embracing the future was the future of driverless vehicles. So, welcome to the era of driverless vehicles. These vehicles they are known as AV, autonomous vehicles or self-driving cars. They help us to like move from place to place. And what does these driverless vehicles promise? These works with the technologies like sensor, camera, and artificial intelligence. They promise us with a safer and more efficient commuting. Now, let's talk about if public accept them or not. So their public acceptance is like the public acceptance is a major role that plays part in these vehicles. So the people still have some questions and concerns about these vehicles. We'll talk this later about the safety. So for the background, we check for the safety of these vehicles. Um, Building trust in this technology is like difficult for people, and trusting them is like a major concern for them. Moreover, these vehicles have created a job displacement. They just displaced all the human drivers, though it is not very popular or it has not totally displaced them, but in the coming future, it's like believed that the human driver will not be needed anymore. So, what's the benefit of this? The benefit is these vehicles can reduce accident congestions and emission of uh, gases also. These vehicles like work on battery, so they'll help us save our fossil fuels and all the gas and stuff. So that was all for introduction and background. My group members will demonstrate the rest of.
Hi, my name is Abhishan, and I'll be doing the challenges faced section. Staggering fatalities. Over 1.2 million people die in traffic fatalities each year, highlighting the urgent need for safer transportation solutions. Human error. Studies show that most accidents are caused by human error, which autonomous driving technology aims to eliminate. Safety experts predict that autonomous driving can reduce traffic fatalities by up to 90%. Regulatory frameworks. Developing the appropriate frameworks and liability policies is crucial for the safe deployment of autonomous driving technology. This ensures that safety measures are in place to protect pedestrians, passengers, and other drivers as this technology becomes more common on the road. There's three main components to autonomous vehicles, being the camera, radar, and LiDAR. The camera is basically the driver's eyes that captures images, and they are sent to a program which analyze and help it make appropriate decisions. The camera allows the computer to turn captured data and convert it into actionable 3D data. The radar, out of all the sensors, it has the lowest resolution, but its main purpose is to detect objects around the vehicle in adverse weather conditions. This is because radar is based off of radio waves, which can propagate through rain and snow, unlike LiDAR. LiDAR has the highest resolution and transmit light to create 3D maps of its environments. However, it has low visibility compared to radar due to it being light-based, and both LiDAR and radar work alongside each other. Autonomous vehicles also use ultrasonic and inertial sensors, which all contribute to real-time collection of external data, increasing the effectiveness of the program.
Hi, I'm Mingxi. Big Pro once published an article about traffic accidents, mentioning that by eliminating human emotion and error, we could reduce traffic accident fatalities by 90%. Furthermore, fewer accidents means less congestion, which means fewer emissions. Environmental protection has always been a hot topic in every country, and according to Ohio's University's Future Driving Report, the emergence of autonomous vehicles will reduce harmful gas emissions by 60%. And the US Department of Transportation predicts that the rise of self-driving cars will significantly reduce traffic fatalities. Thus, the future popularity of self-driving cars will be supported by the Department of Traffic Safety. Additionally, a related company asked more than 25,000 consumers about their travel preference, and about a quarter of them said they would be very likely to opt for advanced self-driving features when purchasing their next vehicle. So, in some way, interested in self-driving cars will drive a country's economy. And although we have just mentioned that driverless cars will bring us many benefits, these benefits depend on factors such as the adoption rate of self-driving cars and their interaction with other types of cars. The key to self-driving cars is artificial intelligence, and while AI technology is good enough, it can still make some mistakes in certain specific or complex situations. In addition, challenges such as local regulations, ethical considerations, and job displacement must be addressed for successful integration into existing transportation systems. Land use change is also critical from an environmental perspective, as it affects emission soils and water. There is also a lack of research on potential improvements in noise and light pollution. So overall, more research is needed to understand the full social and environmental impacts of self-driving cars and to develop sustainable solutions. So, in conclusion, the presentation focused on the relevant aspects of autonomous driving technology and its future trends. The future remains uncertain, and many of the benefits of this technology depend on ideal conditions. So, therefore, we need to balance the benefits and drawbacks of the autonomous driving technology in the development process. And that's all for the presentation. Thanks for watching. And here are the references.